Hi, my name's William Stewart. I love working with my hands, solving complicated problems, and working in a team. If there's one thing I think is most notable about me, it's my deep involvement in competitive high school robotics. It's definitely my passion and where I feel most at home. This is a video of my friend and I getting a really difficult thing to finally work, and it was a really big accomplishment. And here's a photo of us with the award that qualified us for Worlds at Provincials, which we unfortunately didn't get to go to, but that was also a really big moment for us. I love collaborating with other people. In the modern world, no achievements are done by a single person. I've done a fair amount of personal projects outside of school before. This is a fully 3D printed remote control car. It doesn't work anymore because I exposed it to my friends. If you like the piano music playing in the background, it was actually performed by me. I know somebody who went to SHAD previously, and they say that they still talk to the people they met at SHAD, and that is just such a cool concept to me, and I'd really love to form those relationships. Thank you.